Welcome to AV DIY Science Experiment YouTube channel. My name is Arna. My name is Brainium. What are we going to do today? Today we are going to do soothing art with blasting colors. So what do we need? We need food coloring. We use these colors, and how we made them is if you don't have a color that you want, you can use a marker and put it in water for a few minutes. And there you go, you have your color. And then you'll need milk, dishwashing soap, and cotton balls, and a plate. That sounds fun, let's do it! Okay, so let's pour in the milk. This is what we got now. This is what we got. Wow. Whoa. Now we've got the cotton ball.
No.
It's so nice. When it was like dripping, it's like, ooh, even if the drips out. Wow. Thanks for watching.